Welcome back to Daytime at 9. You know, it seems like emergencies, they always happen after hours. I mean, and then hospital emergency rooms, they can be crowded. You can end up waiting for hours after that. And luckily, there's another option for you. Dr. Tim Vu is the medical director at Complete Emergency Care, and he is here to tell us more about what they do and why you are so incredibly unique. Because I don't know of any other place like this in San Antonio. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here. You know, when you go to a hospital emergency room, you really can end up waiting for hours on a really busy night.
Absolutely, and that's one of the biggest problems with ERs, and that actually deters people a lot from actually wanting to go to the doctor, so sometimes they'll ignore their symptoms, which can be very dangerous. So we've worked to eliminate the wait time and kind of increase the time that you get to spend with spending with the doctor.
See, and that's good too, because I think a lot of times you wait hours, you see the doctor, and then they're rushing you in and out. Maybe you need more treatments, maybe you need to see a specialist, but over at Complete Emergency Care, you basically have everything people need right there in one location.
Exactly.
So they're not driving all over town.
Right, that makes us unique. We definitely have the ability to see a whole range of different things, from really bad earaches to chest pain, abdominal pain. We have labs, EKGs, CAT scans,
all of that.
All right there.
See, that's key, because again, you don't want to have to be going to more than one place, especially if it's a really big emergency. You can take care of them right there.
Exactly, and by eliminating that wait time and then getting results right then and there, people don't have to go off to another location to get a CAT scan or something like that.
Sure.
Really helps us as physicians and helps patients get their diagnosis quicker.
You had mentioned that you are all about customers, you're all about your patients, and that is your number one priority. And why, as a physician, why is that so important to you?
Well, the ER doctors in general are very busy people, and we are used to working in very chaotic environments, and we're kind of trying to take a different approach where we can make it a more pleasant experience for the patient. We want to eliminate their wait times and then allow them to speak longer with their doctors and nurses. Because really it's a very critical time, and people are very nervous about their condition, and they really need to have that extra time to talk to their doctors and get their answers.
Well, I'm sure the patients are very appreciative of that. Yeah. Now, all ages, are we talking kids to the elderly?
All ages, yes. As young as a 1-month-old to a 90-year-old. We've seen them all.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Good to know. And you have one location right now, but you're about to open your second location on the north side. So tell me where both of your Complete Emergency Cares are right now.
That's right. So we have one location in our 4th year there at 1604 on Culebra on the west side near SeaWorld. It's right next to HEB. And then about March time, we'll be having a new facility on the north side on 1604 and 281 Boulevardy area.
And you are 24/7. You never close.
Never close. Always a nurse.
You don't work all those hours, do you?
Depends who you ask.
Almost.
Yeah, right, yeah.
It probably feels like you are.
Right.
So their website is CompleteEmergencyCare.com. We have the phone number on the screen as well. Right now they're on Culebra Road, and that's the phone number, but soon to be over at 1604 and 281 in March.
That's right. Boulevardy Road and 1604.
Oh, Boulevardy Road and 1604.
Same area, yes.
That little area right there. Dr. Vu, thank you so much for being here, and this is really good stuff. This is what we need here in San Antonio. So
thank you.
I know who to call.
All right.
Because it always happens at night.
Exactly.
It always happens at night. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.